Bloke, are you a professional spray painter now?
Oh yeah. See, I've prepped it. It's all prepped.
Took it through the field to get some mud on it. Now it's prepped for paint. Redneck rust protection there. Now, doesn't that look better than just white?
Oh, frick yeah.
That looks way better.
That looks really good, look. Look at that.
Look at that.
Hey?
Oh yeah.
That look good.
Yeah.
All the way around, that would look amazing.
Wow. Much look angrier.
Wish we had low, we just fucking sprayed black. Not a lot more panels, is there?
No, a lot of plastic on it.
Well, I'll show you once it's done. I think it'll look pretty good. So, Bloke, are you opening up a custom paint shop?
Oh yeah.
What's it going to be called?
Trilon paint.
You know, the only time it's good is when you get thick ash.
This thing looks good now.
This is like the
Black rocker panels and
unless you had a machine.
trim,
You could have because playing the
chrome rims.
like I even had I got the thing.
And he's not even done yet. He has more paint to do still. This is going to look good.
You know, when
For sure.
yeah, then you start shaving the wire. You know what I mean?
Custom
Now,
grill.
you're getting, you know what I mean? What you really wanted out of it. Yeah.
Look, what's your bill going to be?
I've got some money, buddy. Hang on.
Bloke's doing some redneck wheel blackening. No need for armor all here.
Spray paint.
That looks better than mud.
Much better.
Oh yeah. There. Okay, so Bloke finished his job. I'm sorry I couldn't get a video while it was down there, but he painted the whole side red, front grille black, front end red, and now this is going to become David's Farm Fire Truck. Don't know if it's going to be the official name, but it's going to be kind of a fire truck. You like his job?
It's all good, man.
Oh yeah. Just parked us a Leica back here, and now, well, the weekend's ending.